All right. Hello, everyone. You just have me today. Oh, look at that. That was a good slide right there. All right. You just have me today. I travel for work, and I always stumble upon cool places, but I never have my RC cars. Well, today, I actually have it, and I am in Kokomo, Indiana. And I have stumbled upon two places. This is the first of which is a cement pump track. So, it's really, really cool. And you can see green is for beginners. So you can follow green lines, you can follow blue lines for intermediates, and black lines are for experts. So, let's see if we can get a better view up here. Just have the Slash with me today, no Groms. But it's really, look at, that goes up onto the wall over there, which is really, really cool. This is all ice, by the way. It's about 15 degrees out. Look at this place, though. Look at this, oh my God. Oh, all right. Come on, don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. I don't want to go down there. There we go. So, we're just doing a little bit of adventuring today. I really want to see that that black wall. You can do a wall ride. My hands are already freezing cold. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, Slash. Ugh. Hope it's warm wherever you are. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Can I get back on over here? Or is there a lip? There's a lip. All right. Heck yeah. I guess this is where like home plate used to be. I think this used to be like a baseball diamond. But obviously has since been worked over. Am I already in low voltage? Has the weather really killed it? I mean, I don't blame it. It's freezing. Oh yeah, I'm completely dead. Well, I'm gonna save my other battery for the other spot. But this is just really freaking cool. I mean, look at those. Those jumps are perfect. Oh, look, those as well. I mean, look at the vertical on these. Look at this end over end. I mean, look at how high these go. I'll try to, I mean, look at that. Wow. Crazy, crazy stuff. This is definitely a place that I would want to go. But man, too bad it's 3 hours from Chicago. Too bad. Oh well. All right, on to the next place. We're gonna warm up in the car here for a sec. And on to the next place. All right. Location number 2. It has not warmed up a single degree since the first half of this video, even though it's been like an hour, because I stopped and got some lunch. I tried to get some lunch. I went to 3 drive-thrus, not a single one. No one moved at any of them. So, you know, Anyway, we are here, still in Kokomo, but this is the original place that I had in mind when I wanted to do this video. I had seen this on my travels before, so when I was going back to Kokomo, I knew I had to go. And as a matter of fact, the first place we went to in the video, which just worked out better geographically, the first place I only found because I was trying to find this place on Google Maps. So, this is what appears to be an abandoned skate park. Now, I'm a little nervous to go down there because if I flip, I don't know how I would get out. Like if my car flips, yeah, I don't know how I would get out. But I'll have to come back here with people because that's just, I think it's unwise of me to go down in there without a sure way of how to get back out. But there's a giant pipe. It's a cool spot, for sure. Is there even like... See, because it's so icy and so cold, I would fear that I couldn't get my grip on one of these. And if this thing rolls over, which it likes to do, yeah, I just don't know if I'd be able to get out. But I'll walk out here and show you guys. I mean, this is freaking cool. But yeah, I don't think I'd be able to get up. Maybe over there. Let's check it out. Because I would like to, since I'm here, you know? It's just with the ice and being alone is kind of scary if I'm being honest with you. Oh. Okay. I could get out if need be. Okay. Let's do it. All right. Slow and steady wins the race. All right. Let's do what we came here to do, though. Okay. I have no idea what just happened. Oh. Oh, that was cool. Oh, that was cool. Oh, it did it. It did it. I hope that was on camera. I hope that was on camera. Oh. Oh, that better be on camera too. That was not good. When in doubt, you gotta throttle it out, ladies and gents. Oh, that was... Oh! Oh! Oh, my Lord. How did... Okay. Oh, I forgot I don't have a battery tie down in here. That's okay. Oh! Oh, there we go. Oh my God. This is the craziest spot I've ever been. Oh, it's not as windy down here either. Oh God. You have to commit. If there's anything I've learned. Oh. You have to commit. Maybe that's a life lesson. I don't know where that went. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. I guess the fun's over. I have no idea where that went. Oh! It landed upright. Well, that is enough for today. Short video, cold video, but maybe one of my coolest. Adios, everyone. Goodbye.